Hey, it's Ryan with another Backroad review, and in this review we're going to take a look at some bucket forks for your tractor. So let's do some unboxing here. Alright, so looking at the packaging, it's fairly well packaged. It is quite a heavy box though, so be prepared for that. So we have the two bars, crossbars, got some instructions. So the handles, these are nicer than our other forks. I like that the handle is a lot easier to grab and it's a different color. The ends are a different color. 3 bolts in there, so we'll put the crossbar together. So these are your full-size forks designed for big buckets, but we don't have a big tractor here today, so we're just going to use the little tractor. First thing we want to do is assemble the crossbar. You put those together, and you want to adjust your width accordingly. These are grade 8 bolts. Good to see. Looks like it anyway. Welds look pretty good. Set those up, and we'll take the nuts off the handles and spin them into the forks. Let's put the bucket down a little bit. So I'm going to take our nuts and put it on the back side. Put this down. Okay. You can put the bolts up or down. It really depends on what you're lifting. So again, we got some really nice handles, and you put the nuts on the bottom, give you more grip on the bucket. So very nice pallet forks, temporary forks for the front of your small, mid-sized, or larger tractor. Fit and finish is great, welds great, and goes on very easily and off very easily. When you're storing these, store them in a cool, dry place. You don't want the steel to rust. If you do mar it up, the black finish, just hit it with a little bit of paint after you're done. You want to keep this metal protected so you get years and years of use. My name is Ryan with Backroad Reviews. Thanks for watching.